就會做咩咧？走去食街啦。呢個有生蠔食添喎，咁有咩啊？有絲堪喎，嚇可以試下喎。睇下，哇！而家好多人食嘢喺呢度。一個米芝蓮我由2018年咧就一路攞到2023年攞獎嘅，好出名㗎，真係。哇！而家我哋叫咗個紅先啦，個師傅入嚟咧英國紅炒啊，好犀利！呢個咧就係紅先啦，呢個師傅整緊嘅。咁我睇下佢嗱，哇，手勢好熟熟手勢，咁啊，睇下啦，我哋係多大隻紅，哇！哇！你睇下，好有彈性嘅，好有彈性。咁啊，睇下我試下先。呢個拿打幾好食㗎。啲肉啊，我哋撒啲蝦，咁睇睇點啊。OK，我哋食先。好大煙啊！哇，好勁啊！好勁！
Anita from Australia.
From Australia.
Yes.
My name is Gordon. I'm from Singapore.
Okay.
Yeah. Which part of Australia are you from?
Melbourne.
Melbourne. I've been there many years back.
And you loved it?
I love it. I like cold weather. Singapore is always hot.
It's hot. It gets very hot too.
It gets hot.
Yeah.
Melbourne's hot.
Yeah, Melbourne hot. You're also from Melbourne.
Yes.
So how do you like Singapore?
Love it.
Don't you find it's very crowded?
Very hot.
Very hot. Yeah. But you don't like hot weather.
No, we sit by the pool.
Okay. It's nice meeting you and hope you enjoy the trip in Singapore.
Thank you.
Very much.
Thank you.
You enjoy it. Thank you.
Bye.